Concept of Kanban system. 1. The Kanban system is a visual method used to manage and control work processes, inventory, and production flow in lean manufacturing or project management. 2. It involves the use of Kanban cards or signals to represent work items or tasks, indicating when and how much work should be performed at each stage of the process. 3. Kanban promotes a pull-based system, where work is initiated based on demand, rather than being pushed through the system, ensuring efficient use of resources and minimizing waste. 4. It provides real-time visibility into work status, bottlenecks, and capacity constraints, enabling teams to prioritize tasks, balance workloads, and identify opportunities for process improvement. 5. Kanban facilitates just-in-time production or task completion, ensuring that work is performed only when it is needed, reducing inventory levels and lead times. 6. It promotes continuous flow by limiting work in progress, WIP, preventing overburdening of resources, and promoting a smooth and steady workflow. 7. Kanban supports visual management, using visual cues such as Kanban boards, cards, or digital tools to provide a clear and intuitive representation of work progress and status. 8. It encourages collaboration and promotes team autonomy by empowering individuals to self-organize and make decisions about their work based on the available Kanban signals. 9. Kanban facilitates prioritization and helps teams focus on high-value tasks, reducing multitasking and improving overall productivity and throughput. 10. It promotes transparency and accountability by providing clear accountability for work items, tracking their progress, and making bottlenecks or delays visible for timely resolution. 11. Kanban enables continuous improvement by fostering a culture of feedback and reflection, allowing teams to identify and address process inefficiencies or bottlenecks through incremental changes. 12. It supports agility and adaptability by allowing teams to quickly respond to changing customer requirements, market conditions, or priorities by adjusting the flow of work and reallocating resources. 13. Kanban helps in managing dependencies and coordinating work across teams or departments, ensuring a smooth handoff and collaboration between different parts of the process. 14. It provides a mechanism for managing capacity and workload, preventing overloading or underutilization of resources, and maintaining a sustainable pace of work. 15. Kanban facilitates the identification and resolution of process bottlenecks or constraints, promoting continuous flow and reducing lead times. 16. It encourages the use of data-driven decision-making by collecting and analyzing metrics related to cycle time, lead time, throughput, and other performance indicators. 17. Kanban promotes a culture of collaboration and open communication, as teams visualize their work and share information, fostering a shared understanding of priorities and progress. 18. It enables effective demand management and resource allocation by aligning work in progress limits with the available capacity and resource availability. 19. Kanban can be used in various industries and domains beyond manufacturing, including software development, project management, healthcare, and service-oriented environments. 20. It serves as a foundation for continuous improvement methodologies such as Lean and Agile, providing a structured and visual approach to streamline workflows and optimize processes.